morning friends, my name is Samiksha Bhagat from Dr. Punjabrao Deshmukh College of Law, Amravati. Today's my presentation topic is inflation and presented to Dr. Apeksha Ghumbar. First we will discuss of introduction of inflation. What is inflation? Inflation means generally rise in price level. In, Inflation is an increases prices of goods and services that is representative to the whole economy. Now we will discuss of definition. This definition is given to the Jeffrey Crowther. According to the Jeffrey Crowther, inflation means rising general price level and due to which purchasing capacity is decreased is called as inflation. So next one is causes of inflation. Um, Normally there are three types of causes of inflation. First one is demand pull inflation. Second, cost push inflation, and third one is built-in inflation. So next topic is effect on inflation. All over the rise in the prices, if this situation effect on economic, number of effect on economic, like that effect on progress, effect on government, effect on learning, effect on unemployment, effect on allocation of economic wealth, and effect on production. So next topic is type of inflation. There are 13 types of inflation, but the four are main types of inflation. So first one is creeping inflation, when the rise in price level due to 0 to 3% per annum is called as creeping inflation. Second, walking inflation, when the rise in price level due to 3 to 10% per annum, that is called walking inflation. Third one is running inflation, when the rise in price level prices for rise goods and services for 10 to 20% per annum is called as running inflation. And fourth topic is hyperinflation, when the price level for goods and services is very rapidly increases 20% and above per annum is called as hyperinflation. Fifth types of inflation is open inflation, when the government does not take any decision to control the inflation is called as open inflation. The sixth one is repressed inflation, when the government controls inflationary situation is called as repressed inflation. The seven is credit inflation. This type of inflation is caused by the excessive expansion of prices is price level is called as credit inflation. And eighth one is currency inflation. Currency inflation, when the supply of currency it increases, example of coins of promissory note is called as currency inflation. When the 10th topic of profit induced inflation, when the more margin of profit and goods and services is called as profit induced inflation. Our last topic is conclusion. All over the conclusion, in reality law inflation rate of economic is up and down. Economic growth is never possible. In India caused by internal and external factor of production, rising production and economic. This is all about the inflation.